So just filled it up. About 6.3 litres. About 6 litres per 50 Ks. So I've got the kit in now. First start, I started at home. I don't think I even need the choke to start anymore. It just started up quite nice. See how it goes. That started alright. I didn't need the choke, I just sort of a few taps of the button that started. The first ride with the JD jet kit. Same place as before. Feels a lot smoother than before. It's not stuttering when it's cold. It's pretty good. A slow hill climb, tapping the clutch. Did this hill climb before. I'm barely even using any throttle, and it's just putting up the hills, which is what I wanted to happen. Slowly up the hill in second gear, and it's so not sputtering at all. It's nice. So I'm 12 Ks in. I didn't reset the clock, but it was on 50, so it's on 62. 12 Ks into the ride. It's going sweet. Hill climbing, haven't stored at all. No oil coming out the pipe like it was before. Nice and clean, but it's super smooth. The engine feels completely different. So I'm already happy with the purchase. Just fourth gear, just flipping the throttle. It picks up nice. There's no much, not really any, power band lag. It's really clean. That's what you want. So 39 Ks into the ride. The bike's going pretty good. A little bit of oil at the back, but not much. It's not like dripping down the whole thing like before and all the oil seeping out of there. It's a lot cleaner. I haven't stored the bike much either, maybe twice. I don't store that much, but normally when you get stuck on a rock or a log and you just sort of forever in the clutch, it will die a bit. This seems to just not store, just revs a lot freer and nicer. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with the JD jet kit. I'd say it's definitely worth doing if you're not happy with how your bike's running. So I'm at that trail again. I'm going to hit that trail and see how well I go. See if it's easier or harder. It's probably going to be a lot easier. This thing just scoots up hills like it's easy, which is good. and I'm not even that tired. I've done the same trek. Last time I was here, my arms were sore. Now I feel pretty fresh. So happy with it so far. This little caterpillar, something. Anyway, let's see how it goes. That's where I timed to last time. I just got stuck at that part, that little hill climb, but because I just run it out a lot. If it wasn't for those ruts there, it would have been easier like last time, but overall, it's going pretty good. It even makes getting out of those ruts on a hill a lot easier. Just not to stall as much. So, definitely worth getting this kit. So I did a little bit more Ks, did about 59, it's on 109. The bike went pretty good, probably the best it's ever ridden. Not much oil coming out of the pipe here. Real clean, real crisp, didn't stall that much. It's feels like a brand new bike, which I'm happy with. So I'll top up the fuel and see how much fuel I use so I can compare it to the standard jetting. Hopefully it's a little bit less. That would be nice as well. A bit more efficient. And it didn't really blow any smoke either. And it starts a lot better. Sweet.
Visit Pt.3.
4.5 litres. So that's almost 2 litres less fuel I've used. Seeing that I did 10 extra or 9 extra kilometers, that's almost $2 or 2 litres of fuel I saved as well, which is pretty good. So overall, happy with the kit, saving money on fuel, which is good.